welcome to another vlog. I just got home from work and I just decided to grab my phone and vlog. So phone lang ginagamit ko for vlogging right now. So I'm actually cooking sinigang sa crockpot. So I don't know if you've tried this, pero this is the easiest way for me to cook sinigang. We don't eat as much rice anymore, so quinoa na yung gagamitin ko. Well, technically I'm cooking for tomorrow. If hubby gets hungry tomorrow pag uwi niya, pwede pa naman to. Hindi naman basa-basa na papanis sa pagkain dito, lalo na sa Alaska ay napakalamig. So, ito yung ating meat. I'll use ribs. And then, let me show you the rest of the ingredients. So, we have here little tomatoes. Nakalimutan ko bumili ng kamatis kahapon sa Fred Meyers. I don't know if you've watched that vlog. And then I have some onions here. We have some talong. Hindi masyado mahilig sa talong si hubby, pero ako ay kumakain yan. And then bok choy, yung galing sa freezer. Alam niyo naman ako. And maglalagay ako ng konting garlic lang. And then ito yung ating sahog or ating sinigang mix. So, ang sinet ko siya for 3 hours. Medyo mainit na. Para ka rin nagpiprito, pero hindi. Gets nyo? And also, I decided to vlog so I can show you the konti rin naman to, like, items that I got from Target. I bought some charger placemats na white. And then I also bought some curtains, the one that I was telling you about last time. I'm excited to unbox the little lamp kasi $10 lang yun. Pero I've been mentioning that we're trying to change a lot of things. Sa bedroom, wala naman ako i-change masyado. Sorry, galaw ako ng galaw. Sa bedroom, wala naman ako masyado i-change. I think I'm just gonna not get rid of the cubies. Pero bibili ako ng Target shelf. Nagkoconnect ko na sa little vanity na binigay sa akin ni Cristel. So, I don't plan to change the a lot of things naman here. Kasi, if lang naman, you know, ipagpapaubaya ni God, hopefully makakuha kami ng isa pang property in the future. But not soon. Doon ako magpapat ng mga like vanity or anything. Pero, I mean, I don't mind buying stuff here kasi sarili naman namin tong place na to. So, it's an investment. Yeah, but we'll try to change the lights. And I've been contemplating if I am going to do a condo tour kasi nga, syempre, hanggat maaari, gusto ko pa rin may privacy kami. Pero, gusto ko rin makatulong na magbigay na ideas sa inyo on how we actually got the place, how much yung percent, down payment, what you need to, Ang masasabi ko lang is, you don't really need a huge down payment, at least 3.5, and make sure you have a good credit score. Yung okay na credit score, para makakuha kayo or ma-qualify kayo at wala kayong masyadong utang. Ganon. Pero, you know, we're happy here. Who knows? We may or may not move out anymore. But yeah, I just love decorating our little home here, and my husband is really happy with the outcome. Marami lang akong hindi mapakita pa ngayon kasi marami pang may balik-bayan box dito, and then meron pa kaming mga boxes na sinishred ko. So, magkakaroon kami ng spring cleaning again. So, this is our second year in May sa aming condo. And yeah, I'll let you know what's up with the sinigang later. And then, I'll just get my tripod and unbox whatever I got from the mail galing sa Target online shopping or online store. So, ipakita na nga sa inyo kung paano ko siya niluluto. So, pinagsama-sama ko lang. Pagkasama-samahin nyo lang lahat, guys. Like, hindi nyo naman kailangan mag-antay pa. Kaya ang crockpot to parang one pot meal na ang pwede nyong gawin. Then, of course, we're gonna add the meat. Oops! Ayan, nahugasan ko na to pero medyo may blood ng konti. Yan ang ating meat, ribs. I should have bought the one from Costco. So, hayaan lang natin siya dyan. Ang ginagawa ko dyan, guys, is inaantay ko siya mag-brown ng kaunti. Pag medyo brown na, well, not really brown. You can just put everything together. Naugasa ko na to. And then you can put the talong, tomatoes later na, tsaka yung sinigang mix and bok choy. Last na yun kasi malalabisa yung gulay. So, ayan. So, lagyan natin ng tubig later. So, gorge, ito po yung ating i-unpack and i-unbox. So, I think I mentioned this sa previous vlog ko na bumili kami ng mga curtains kasi nga si hubby, mahilig naman siya mag-ayos, pero nahilig siya ngayon mag-decorate. Definitely okay with me buying stuff as long as it's for the house. Hindi naman siya ganun ka, strict. And he likes it whenever I buy things. So, nasanitize ko na to, guys. Don't worry. So, yung curtains na nabili ko, ang brand niya ay Sun something. Sun Zero ata ito. And naka-clearance siya, guys. So, I bought 6. Sabi dito ay 50. Ang size niya ay 54 by 84 inches. So, kasing haba lang itong, actually medyo bitin. Kasi nga mali yung pagkakabit ko ng curtain rods. Pero it's okay. And this is so nice. The color is so nice. It's not a typical like green, basta green lang. This is sage green. And pwede siyang i-match sa pink, sa yellow, or any colors. Actually, wala namang bading na color, no? Nasa tao lang naman yan. So, look at the cloth. Ilalagay ko siguro yung link kung saan ko ito nabili. Baka maging interested kayo. So, ang hindi ko na nagustuhan is, it claims to be blackout. Pero hindi siya super blackout. It's light filtering lang. So, kita nyo ba? Ayan siya, oh. Hindi siya ganun ka-blackout. Manipis lang siya. Pero, this is perfect for the living room. Kasi, kahit nasabihin mo na hindi siya blackout curtain. Excuse the box. Hindi siya blackout curtain. Maganda pa rin siya for the summertime. So, I'm really excited. Siguro sa weekend, try ko ma-vlog kung ma-vlog to or try ko oh my gosh, ang laki nga. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2, 4, 6, 7, 8. This is so nice. So, ang ginagawa ko dyan, ni-steam ko pa yan, guys. Para maganda yung pagkakabagsak. So, I'm so excited. I feel like this, parang mahaba, mas mahaba siya than I expected. Pero I super like it. Super love. So, 6 pieces to. Para tag, 2 per window. So, yung sliding door, window sa kitchen, dining, and then window dito sa aming mini living room. Para magkakapareho lang. Ma-even out. And then, siguro aalisin ko yung ibang, I don't know, sabi ni Habi okay yung pink, pero tapos sa Valentine's Day. So, I don't know if I wanna stick to pink. Baka bumalik ako sa medyo parang modern, like, I don't know, mid-century maybe. It depends. Kasi, feeling ko yung table na ipapalit namin dito soon, hindi naman anytime soon, pero hopefully soon, ay bumagay. Kasi magkapating kami ng mga ilaw. Or feeling ko hindi ko napapatay yung ilaw dito sa dining room. Bagay ito sa aming shabby chic na ilaw. Kung papakita ko sa inyo, ayan siya guys. So, diba? So, perfect. Super exciting. So, 6 na piraso to. 1, 2, 3, 4, ayan, 5, and 6. So, ayusin ko yan sa weekend. Super excited ako maglinis ulit and mag-ayos. Yung balikbayan box, nakakasagabal talaga siya, nakakapangit ng view. Pero again, baka ipadala ko yan sa, I don't know if April or May. May padala natin yan sa Philippines para sa ating pamilya. Tapos, di na ako masyado mamimili ng pasalubong para sa iba kasi kung manawari ay makauwi naman tayo, di wala tayong problema. Makakapagdala ako ng dalawang totes. It's been a long day sa Monday. 2 totes. So, tabi ko muna siya sa gilid. And then, of course, this is the Target box. Super konti lang naman yung laman niya. Super konti lang naman yung laman nito. Parang dalawang klaseng items lang naman. Wala ko ng scissors. Ay, hindi na pala kailangan. Huwag kayong magtataka kung nasaan yung asawa ko. Kasi asawa ko ay magkaiba nga kami ng schedule. Uut na lang sis. Magkaiba kami ng schedule and so, ang ginagawa namin lately is, he drops off the car sa work and then babalik siya dito kasama ako and then I go back sa work. Parang yun yung lunch break ko, 1 hour lunch break ko. So anyway, sayang naman ito mga kapil. So anyway, ito yung binili ko na charger plate. Alam niyo, mahilig ako sa ganito. Mayroon na akong ganito before, pero maliit. Pero this one is good quality, oh. Threshold ang kanyang brand. So I really like this. Bagay na bagay ito sa aming dining table. Super love it. 4 pieces yan. Tapos $2 lang isa. And then last but not the least, sana po matibay siya. No? Ay, wala siyang bulb. Oh my gosh. Kaya pala $10. Walang bumbilya. Ito guys. Tinan mo, mid-century. So I don't know if I'm gonna put it dun sa corner. Kasi may lamp, dadant naman, may lamp na kabi doon, diba? So, baka ilagay ko siya somewhere dun sa bookshelf. Papakita ko na lang sa inyo later. But yeah, this is just $10. Actually, parang gusto ng asawa ko palitan yung nasa living room namin. Ay, nasa bedroom namin. Pero sabi ko, no, I wanna stick to those gold na sa Amazon. Kasi ayoko mag-waste ng pera. Kasi syempre, nagastusan na namin yun yung paglipat namin dito. And then, of course, gusto ko rin makabili ng siguro bilang ko ng isang lampa para dun sa kabilang bedroom. Kailangan ko lang siya i-steady. Pero papakita ko sa inyo later kung anong itsura nitong lamp kapag may bulb. So, gorge, let me know what you think. Dito ko na siya nilagay sa corner kasi nga, wala naman kaming lamp dito sa side na to. Medyo, ayusin ko na lang yung cord. Siguro tape ko yan or something. Just hide it on the corner on the side. So, unfortunately, yung bulb na meron ako dito sa bahay ay 40 watts. I couldn't find it 25 watts kasi ang maximum niya is 25 watts lang. So, ayoko mag-take ng risk. So, these are the lights that I have and 40 watts siya or 4 watts replacement. I don't know if this is gonna work kasi ang maximum lang ay 25 watts. So, I don't know. I just don't wanna take the risk kasi baka pumutok, diba? Pero I think this is the perfect area for now. Kasi tingnan nyo, ganyan, excuse me, makars. Ganyan ang itsura ng aming living room. Ayan. And then, dito ko nilagay yung lamp. Kaya wanna change that lamp, pero useful pa naman siya sa amin. So, hindi tayo palit ng palit basta-basta. Kahit nga sariling home natin to. Ayoko naman ng fire sa gastos, pictures, and then, ayan, altar namin. Ayan, guys. So, again, walang kasamang light yung nabili ko. Hindi ko siya na-check right away. Pero okay lang, mura lang naman yung bulb. So, again, do not use anything above 25 watts na light kasi puputok to for sure. I was thinking of getting like the white one and the blue one. Pero gusto ko mag white and brown again dito. Tapos yung theme namin ng Christmas this year would be gold. So, maglalagay nila ako ng touch ng ibang color pero gold and silver or white yung gusto ni Happy. So, ayan. Ito na itsura ng ating sinigang. Mamaya ko ilalagay yung sinigang mix. Pag medyo malambot na ito, kamatis and bok choy. So, ayan, gorge. Ayan, nakapambahay na ako. Ito ulit yung suot ko nung nakaraang vlog. But anyway, ayan yung ating sinigang for tomorrow. And then, nagluluto ako ng quinoa. So, quinoa is right here. Ayan. So, ayan, gorge. Kuclose ko na yung vlog dito. Thank you so much for watching. I just wanted to share with you yung binili ko sa Target. Kung gusto niyo ng affordable lamp, bumili kayo. I plan to buy another one, pero pink or white. And then, I'll put it in the, on my desk. Kasi yung, excuse me, binili ko sa Walmart last time. I wanna bring it back sa office. So, sa office kami sa work. So, we'll see. But thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you on my next one. Bye!